I'm Anil Kumar. In this video, we will learn the concept of average weight. Now let us say we have 5 persons, right? Let's say we have 5 persons. Let me draw them in a straight line, right? And these persons have different weight. So let's say the weight of each person is, let's say this person is 50 kg, the other one is, let's say, 40 kg, and then we have somebody with 30 kg, somebody with, let's say, 60 kg, and somebody with 40 kg. Let's say these are the weight of 5 people. Now the question is, what is the average weight? Now the question is, find average weight. Now average means sum of all divided by number of persons, right? So we are adding 5 people's weight and we'll divide by 5. So normally the formula is sum of all divided by total numbers. Is that okay? In this case, 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 60 plus 40 becomes the sum of all weights, right? Sum of all weights, let me write down here. Divided by total numbers, right? Numbers of persons. Okay, let's be more specific. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have number of persons as 5, and let's find the average weight. So we'll add them all. We have 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 60 plus 40 equals to 220. So we can write this as 220 divided by 5. Let's divide by 5 to get the average weight of, we got 44. 44 is the average weight of the person. Now what does that mean? When we say that the average weight of any person in this group is 44, it means that if I tell you that there are 5 persons with average weight of 44, then if I ask you what is the total weight, total weight of the group of 5 persons, then how will you find it? Well, the answer is simple. If average weight is 44, then 5 persons of this group will have total weight of 44 times 5. Do you see that? So that total is 44 times 5. Let's write it. 44 times 5 is 220. So we get 220, and of course we are working with units of kg, so we'll get kg. So you see this 220, it perfectly matches with what we found here. Correct? So this is average weight, right? Now if I add a person to this group, then will the average weight change or not? It really depends on the weight of the person being added. So let us say we have 5 people and we add a person here in this group. Let me say this is the person added to the group, right? And the weight of this person is, let us say, 50 kg. So if this person is added to the group, then will the average weight increase, decrease, or remain same? Well, earlier the average weight was 44. Since this person is heavier than the average weight of the group will increase. By how much? That is a good question. By how much? Well, we can calculate, but it gives us an idea The person is 6 kg over the average, and that 6 kg, when distributed to, including that person, 6 persons, should be 1 kg each. So we expect that to increase by 1 kg. Does that make sense? Okay, let's calculate. Now let's calculate average weight of 6 persons. So now we'll use the same formula. We'll say it is sum of all weights. So sum now becomes 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 60 plus 40 plus 50. And how many persons are there? 6. One more, right? 6. Let's calculate this weight. It is 50 plus 40 plus 30 plus 60 plus 40 plus 50 equals to 270. And let's divide that by 6. Divide by 6 equals to, as expected, we got 45 kg. Do you see that? So what we really got is that the average weight increased by 1 kg. So what we found here is that average weight increased by 1 kg. Correct? The reason was that the person who was added to the group had 6 kg extra weight than the average. So that 6 kg was distributed amongst all the persons in the group. Since there was 6 persons, it went up by 1 kg. You get an idea, right? So that is how the average of weights work. So in this particular case, what we see is that by adding a person, the average weight changes, and it really depends on the weight of the person added. Now the question for you is, let us add 7th person. Let's say 7th person is added. Now we have average weight of 45. Now 7th person is added to the group. And what really happens is that with the addition of this person, average weight decreases to 44. Again, 44 kgs, right? It comes back to the original level of 44 kg. Estimate the weight of 7th person. Estimate the weight of 7th person. So that's a question for you. So what really happened was, when you added the 7th person to this group, the average weight of 44 decreased to 44. I mean, the average weight of 45 for 6 persons decreased to 44 for 7 persons. So that means the 7th person was lighter than 45 kg. For sure, you need to figure out by how much, so that the average of the group became 44. You get the point, right? So that's the question for you to think over. So I'd like you to work on this question and then move on to the next topic. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.